In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my exact strategy that I'm using to earn money by recommending other people products and services. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo, and thanks to my digital business, I was able to replace not one, but two full-time jobs. And that's the reason why I'm really passionate about this topic. And I'm going to share with you the strategy that I use. It's really simple. I believe like everybody, if you are committed with yourself, if you're committed with your success, if you're consistent with the implementation, you can get the results that you want. So let me share with you my screen because I want to make sure that we're going to be on the same page. And as I told you before, I'm going to be sharing with you the exact strategy that I use to earn money by recommending other people products and services. So as you can notice, the very first thing is that I decided not to create my own product. The reason why I decided to do it that way, it's because I tried. I have to be honest with you guys. I actually tried and I spent 6 months creating my product and I got zero sales. Okay. So it's time consuming. And as you can imagine, with two full-time jobs, the thing that I had, it's actually, I didn't have so much time. And because of the debt that I have, I didn't have a lot of money. So I was looking something in which I decided that I don't want to deal with customer service, payment processors, delivering the product. But that's the very first thing that we are going to need because we only need actually three things to make this happen. The very first thing is that we need to have a product to promote. Most people don't know this, but more than 80% of the companies do have what we call an affiliate program in which we can partner with them and they're going to pay us a commission just to recommend the product, just like you're recommending a restaurant right now, a movie that you watch, the experience that you live. Okay, so where you can find these kind of products, you can go to marketplaces such as Warrior Plus, ClickBank, JVSU. There are other marketplaces, or also you can go to Google. You can type the name of your brand or a product plus affiliate program, and most likely you are gonna have a product that you are already recommending that do have these type of programs. Depending of the product that you can promote, everybody and every company works different. They do have like different commissions. Maybe you can get like 50% commission, 80% commission, 10% commission. It depends on the company, but you can recommend the product that you want. My suggestion, and this is the way I do it, I only recommend products and services that I use and they give me a results because it's easier for me to recommend something based on my experience. Because whenever I'm doing a recommendation, it's like if I'm talking just to a friend. Okay. So the other thing is that you need to pick a niche. Okay. When you're going to get a product, make sure that you're going to pick a niche and deep dive in a niche. The most profitable niches are health, wealth, and relationships. But let's say that you go with health. Okay, I'm going to put an H here. Let's say that you're going to go with people that they want to lose weight. Okay, so I'm going to put LW here. And I can actually target women. Okay, I can actually target women who want to lose weight. And I can be like, okay, I'm going to be targeting women who have 30-year plus and also that they have children. Okay, so I'm going to put C here. So as you can see, I niche down. The more specific you are, the easier it's actually to talk or deliver the message to that person. Okay, because yes, a lot of people would like to lose weight, but if I specifically talk to this person, they're gonna raise their hand. They're gonna be like, "Hey, you know what? That product or program or app that this person is recommending me sounds like it's actually gonna help me because I'm on this situation. I actually understand their problems and all this stuff." So that's the reason why I suggest you to niche down. Okay, no. So now you have a product to promote. Now you need a two-page simple system. This is actually key, and this is actually how I was able to replace my full-time job. By the way, guys, If you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. And if you want to learn more about my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. So as I told you before, I had two full-time jobs, so I didn't have a lot of time. I cannot be with DM, with people all day long because, I have things to do and I was trying to live a life as well. So I created a two-page system, and you don't need to be any kind of designs, don't need to have any kind of design skill, coding skill. So we're going to be delivering a freebie. So we're going to be capturing people's name and email address. Then we are going to be building what we call a bridge page. This can be a video, or this can be some text in which we are introducing the product that we're recommending. And then we are going to have our special link with the product that we recommend. If people make the purchase, yay. But if they don't make the purchase, this is the magic. This is going to be working for us 24/7, sending people messages, reminding them about this product, and we can promote other products and other services as well, okay, on autopilot. Because again, if let's say that I'm going to be talking to women over 30 that they have kids. Yeah, maybe they are looking for an app because they need to work out at home, or maybe they are traveling and they don't have a lot of time to work out. They need a planned meal. They need equipment. And there are several things that I can promote because they know what they need. Okay, how you can actually create this? There is a tool that I use that is called System.io. System.io is an all-in-one marketing solution. I'm going to be leaving a link below. And as you can see, you can choose from different templates. And the thing that I like is that you can create 100% free account. Yeah, you hear it right. It's a free account. It's not a free trial. So literally, you can store money from zero cost. Okay, so we already have this system. What else do we need? Well, we need what we call traffic. Okay, traffic is literally eyeballs. There are people who are already on the internet, specifically on social networks. They can be on Facebook, they can be on Instagram, they can be on TikTok, they can be watching a YouTube video, they can be reading a blog post, they can be on article sites such as Medium, they can be on Pinterest, and we are sending them to this page. So the system is going to be working for us. What we're going to be doing is that we're going to be modeling other people content. Do not reinvent the wheel. It's already created and it's working really fine for someone. So we are going to be modeling it. We're going to be adding our style. We're going to be adding our ideas. We're going to be sharing our experience as well. And you don't need to be on camera if you don't want to, or you can't. You don't need to be recording a large YouTube video. It can be a 5 to 7 second videos, and you can deliver the message. Or if you enjoy writing, for example, you can be writing a blog. So this is definitely something that is actually working right now, and you can do this all for free. Okay, you don't need to invest on ads, because ads at the end of the day is not like the magical solution. Yeah, it do works, but sometimes people get frustrated because they are like, you know what, I invest XYZ amount of money and I haven't made a sale. But if you actually model what other people are doing, you have higher chances, to get a great result. And I'm by no means telling you that you're going to get results tomorrow. This is something that you need to be consistent, and you need to treat this as a business. Okay? Be consistent with the implementation, have the right mindset, and you're going to get good results. So I hope you're enjoying this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.